In financial modeling functions, we take a look at first aggregate functions. So that means we are taking a look at COUNTIF, SUMIF, COUNTIFs and SUMIFs. So first is COUNTIF. Here we've got a table which has product, customer and sales. So for a particular product, what is the customer name and how much sales are effective from that customer. So we have got a list of data which shows this in the table. Now let us see the items which are highlighted. So for product, for Peter, there is one item, and for Ram and Lynn there are items, but all of them have bought books. So books under product, books, and for book, how much is the total sales? So that is 200, 400 and 200, which means it is 800. So that is what is listed. So how do we use COUNTIF and SUM for basically reporting this data? That is what we are going to see. So if you go to the second table, there is a summary, count and sales. So for book, if you take a look at it, the count, there is a formula. So what is that formula? It says COUNTIF A to A8 based on A13. So what we actually have done is we have taken how many times the book is appearing in the first table. So the cells we take are from range A2, that is from this cell, all the way till A8. So in this range of cells, how many times book is repeating? That is what the COUNTIF formula gives. So we see there are 3 times the book is repeating, and so that is what is given by the formula. COUNTIF is A2 till A8 based on the search criteria A13, which is book. So it is 3. Now if you want to know the sales price of those items, it is 200, 400 and 200. We sum it up, it will be 800. So that is what is given in this C13. SUMIF A2 to A8 based on search criteria A13, which is book, and the column which we have to add, which is C2 to C8, and the result is 800. So that is how the SUMIF formula works. Similarly, we have COUNTIFs and SUMIFs. Same table we are taking. It's a sales data table which we are taking. Here what we are doing is, for book, what is the COUNTIFs based on a search criteria. So COUNTIF is from A to A8, and it is for a customer Peter. Initially we were taking for a product is what we were doing COUNTIF, but in COUNTIFs we can search on a particular customer. So for Peter we are searching. So Peter has bought book and DVD. So let us take a look at the formula. The COUNTIFs, how do we write? COUNTIFs we write by taking a range of cells, which is A2 to A8. A2 to A8. And this range of cells, how many times Peter has become a customer. So there are 2 rows which says Peter is the customer, which is A4 and A5. And for book, there is only 1 row where Peter is the customer. So in COUNTIFs, what we do is we give first of all the product range, which is A2 to A8. A15, which is book, that is the search criteria, only 1 row is there. And then what is the value? B2 to B8, which is from Lynn till Rahim. What we are searching is Peter, which is given in B12. So if you take a look at count, from A2 to A8, we search A15, which is book. And from the search results, the next search criteria is B2 to B8, which are the customers from which we choose B12, which is Peter. So there is only one. For book and Peter, there is only one row, and which is a 200 rupees sales item. So there is only one. Likewise, we can do it for CD and DVD, COUNTIFs and SUMIFs. That is how we actually do. Hope you understood. Thank you.